Here is how to create a group chat on WhatsApp. So first, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you need to select the new group option from the top of the screen. Now go ahead and search for a name or number using the search bar in the top, or you can manually scroll down and find people that you want to add to your group. Once you've selected the people that you want to add to your group, tap on this arrow icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now set your group name and type it. You can also add a picture if you like. Tap on this camera icon. Then you can go ahead and access your gallery, or you can also put emojis and stickers or AI websites and all. Also set your disappearing messages, whether 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. Then also go to group permissions and set the preferences according to you. Then after, tap on this tick icon from the bottom right and your group chat will be updated. From here, you can now add members or invite via link or QR code. You can also tap on this name of your group chat, scroll down and manage the group permissions or add members. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.